Introducing VEX IQ, a programmable snap-together system designed to teach STEM and coding skills in a fun and exciting way. VEX IQ is an integral part of our curriculum, specifically tailored to engage seniors, principals, and fellow students in exploring and honing their understanding of engineering, programming, and the technology surrounding us. With the VEX IQ kit, students can unleash their creativity and build amazing robots using a plastic construction system featuring easy snap-together pieces. We also integrate coding into our VEX IQ program through the user-friendly VEX Code IQ app. This powerful tool provides a drag-and-drop interface, allowing students to program their robots easily. The app supports Python programming for more advanced students, providing more profound coding expertise. With VEX IQ, students learn the principles of STEM and coding and develop crucial problem-solving, critical thinking, and teamwork skills. They can collaborate, experiment, and discover solutions, fostering a passion for learning and innovation.